सो हेलो इग्नो पॉइंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। सो आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है बैलेंस डाइट, जिस पर हमें साइनॉप्सिस बनाना है और इस पे रिलेटेड रिपोर्ट तैयार करनी है। फिर उसे हमें स्टडी सेंटर से अप्रूव कराना होता है और उस पर कोऑर्डिनेटर के साइन लेने होते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्टेड। सेक्शन ए, बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन। इसमें नेम, एनरोलमेंट नंबर, स्टडी सेंटर, एड्रेस, नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट काउंसलर, नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ फील्ड गाइड, टाइटल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, थीम सेलेक्टेड, name of place where project is not to be conducted, state where place is located। फिर हमें सेक्शन बी में हमें प्रोजेक्ट का प्रपोजल लिखना होता है। टाइटल लिखना होता है कि अ स्टडी टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट द रोल ऑफ बैलेंस डाइट इन कॉमन न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर। फिर उसके इंट्रोडक्शन की द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ अ बैलेंस डाइट कान बी एम्फेसिस्ड इनफ फॉर healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can be attained by maintaining a balanced diet and keeping into consideration to meet all the essential nutrients required by the body. A proper meal plan helps to attain ideal body weight and reduce the risk of chronic disease like diabetes, cardiovascular and other types of cancer. But what exactly is a balanced diet? In simple words, it's a diet that offers the nutrients to help your body function properly. The importance of diet lies in the intake of right amount of calories. Your body gets the right nutrition when you consume a wide variety of food rich in calories such as fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains and proteins. Eating a healthy diet is all about feeling great, having more energy, improving your health and boosting your mood. Good nutrition, physical activity and healthy body weight are essential part of person's overall health and well-being. There is no questioning the importance of healthy food in your life. Unless you maintain a proper diet for a healthy body, you may be prone to disease, infection or even exhaustion. The importance of nutritious food for children especially needs to be highlighted, since otherwise they may end up being prone to several growth and developmental problems. Some of the most common health problems that arise from lack of balanced diet are heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes. Being physically active manages many health problems and improves mental health by reducing stress, depression, and pain. Regular exercise helps to prevent metabolic syndrome, stroke, and high blood pressures, arthritis and anxiety. A balanced diet includes some specific healthy food groups under it: vegetables such as leafy greens, starchy vegetables, legumes like beans and peas, red and orange vegetables and other like eggplant. Fruits that include whole fruits, fresh or frozen fruits but not canned ones dipped in syrup. Grains such as whole grains are refined grains, for example, quinoa, oats, brown rice, barley, and buckwheat. Proteins such as lean beef and pork, chicken, fish, beans, peas, and legumes. Dairy products such as low-fat milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, and soya milk. फिर उसके बाद हमें एम लिखना होता है कि what is the aim? To identify the current level of awareness about the nutritional deficiency disorder, to create awareness of nutritional deficiency disease among low socio-economic class of society, to educate people about the diet to be followed for prevention and treatment of nutritional deficiency disorder, for like PEM, xerophthalmia, anemia and IDD. फिर उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखना होता है टू अचीव द अबव मेंशन एम फॉलोइंग प्रोजेक्टिव्स विल बी फॉलोड. First, to review the literature about nutritional deficiency disorder, keeping primary focus on PEM, xerophthalmia, anemia, and IDD. To study the assess current level of awareness among the study group about nutritional deficiency disorders, to educate and create awareness about economical diet supplements to prevent and treat nutritional deficiency disorder. To enhance the capability of the mother to look after the normal health and nutritional need of the child through proper nutrition and health education. To spread awareness about fatal consequences of nutritional deficiency disorders. To assess post-interventional knowledge and practice. to conclude the effectiveness of the study and project conducted to assess the awareness and educate the same about nutritional deficiency disorders. Physical methodology. Topic of the project is a study to create awareness about the role of balanced diet in common nutritional deficiency disorders. Nutritional deficiency disorders generally prevail among lower socioeconomic sector. So the methodology will be adopted in such a way as to conduct the project in the best suited way for the above sector. The method of communication that has been used for the projects are non-machine media posters, like how to communicate. So non-machine media posters, non-machine medias are the most versatile ads to make the nutrition and health education effective. They can be easily planned, prepared and used in nutrition and health teaching situation. लाइक पीपल्स में कैसे अवेयरनेस फैलाना है, तो उस पर हम कैसे क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए हम पोस्टर कर सकते हैं, नॉन मशीन मीडिया का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. पोस्टर आर डिज़ाइन टू मेक अ पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ अ सोशल आइडिया. इट यूजुअली इंक्लूड्स एन illustration with brief caption. Poster is designed to catch the attention of passerby, impress on him or fact of an idea, stimulate him to support an idea, make him seek more information and to move him to action. Tools का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Posters are only a visual ad and cannot be used in isolation. It can only support other activities. Hence, for this project, we have gathered a group and explained them about the nutritional deficiency disorders. Sampling. We will conducted this project in a government hospital where majority of people was low socioeconomic population. The crowd of around 50 to 60 gathered, and we selected a sample of 30 married females in the age group 18 to 35 to conduct many surveys. Techniques. The crowd will inform about the activity. A group of 30 will be selected from among them. A survey form will field all of the cases. Then we will ask them question and field a pre-test form. This had to be done to assess the level of awareness they were having. Then they will educate them about common nutrition deficiency disorder. This will conduct with the aid of ad of posters that distributed among them. After this, a post test also conducted to check the retention and how much they were able to gain out of the activity. Target area, like गाजियाबाद हमारा target area है. Target group lower socio-economic group, married females within the age group of 18 to 35 years. Interventions. Creating awareness among lower socio-economic sample group about nutrition deficiency disorder, also educating them about causes, symptoms, preventions and treatment of 4 common nutritional deficiency disorder, for example PEM, xerophthalmia, anemia and IDD. Methodology. Survey करेंगे हम. A survey form will be filled to assess the crowd and their behavior. फिर pre-test करेंगे कि उन्हें क्या क्या knowledge है पहले से. The sample group will be assessed based on their current level of awareness about nutritional deficiency disorders. फिर poster presentation करेंगे. The sample group will then be explain about the nutritional deficiency disorder with the aid of posters. फिर हम posters दिखाएंगे, फिर बताएंगे कि क्या क्या deficiency disorders हो सकते हैं अगर proper balanced diet ना ले. फिर हम उसका पोस्ट टेस्ट, फिर बताने के बाद फिर हम उनका पोस्ट टेस्ट लेंगे कि हाँ ये क्या क्या समझे, क्या क्या इन्होंने रिटेन किया. Conducted a post test to check the retention and how much they were be able to gain out of the activity. Sample questions related to the knowledge, attitude and practice regarding pregnancy and lactation. Pre and post test questionnaire for pregnant women. फिर हम उनका टेस्ट लेंगे pregnant women का within the age group of 18 to 35 years old. What is your name? Which age group do you fall in? Where do you stay? How many kids are you having? How many times did you take meal in a day? How many times did you take your baby to doctor in initial 5 years? Has your doctor identified your baby underweight? What is the frequency of iron supplement intake? And how frequently you include vegetables and fruits in your diet? At what age do you introduce food to your child alongside breastfeeding? फिर हम सेक्शन सी में हम अप्रूवल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट काउंसलर, हम अप्रूवल लेंगे प्रोजेक्ट काउंसलर से. फिर हम उसमें तब फिर आई क्लियर सर्टिफाई दैट आई हैव एग्जामिन्ड द प्रोजेक्ट प्रपोजल सबमिटेड बाय द कैंडिडेट, फिर यहाँ पर कैंडिडेट का नाम आएगा, फिर भट्टाचार्य एंड फाउंड टू बी सेटिस्फैक्ट्री। जैसे इसमें सिग्नेचर करवाना बहुत ही कंपलसरी है, इसे हमें अप्रूव करवाना होता है और कोऑर्डिनेटर से साइन लेना होता है। इसके अलावा भी और भी 3-4 टॉपिक हमारे चैनल पर डला हुआ है, आप वहाँ चेक कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।